Hey there everyone, welcome to Teknisha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the IFS function. Here is an example of scores for multiple students, and on the right side you see the grades we need to assign. So using the IFS function, you can determine the grade based on the score. So let's look at the top two cells. Let's say I change the grade now from 62 to 75. It changes to C because if it's greater than 70, it needs to be C. And you see that the grade 92 is A, and if I change it to 85, it changes to B. Let's see how to do this. Here is the list of students and their scores. To assign the grade based on the scores, you can use it using the if function, which is the old way, and it can be pretty long. Anyway, let's see how to do this. So let's go to cell D4 and type in the formula equal to if the test is going to be based on the value in C4. So you're going to type in C4 is greater than 90, then you assign A grade. If that's not the case, we need to start another if statement. If C4 is greater than 80, then we assign it B grade. If that's not true, we need to again start an if function. If C4 is greater than 70, then we assign it C grade. And if C4 is greater than 60, we assign it D grade. If that's not true, then we assign it an F grade. And now we need to close all the if functions. And you can just copy it over. So now the grades have been assigned based on the scores. But as you can see, the formula can be pretty long and you need to be careful where to assign the if function. You can achieve the same result using the new IFS function. So let's go to cell E4 and type in the formula equal to IFS, and now our logical test is going to be cell C4 is greater than 90, and if the value is true, we need to assign the grade A. In the case of if statement, you would have to assign a new if formula again. But since we are using IFS, all you need to do is again put a logical test condition 2, which is C4 greater than 80 is going to be B, else C4 greater than 70 is going to be C, C4 greater than 60 is going to be D. And now since if all these conditions are not met, we need to assign F. You can type in true, which means if these are not met, definitely this condition we force it to be true and then assign it F. And that's it. Just close the formula and press enter. And you copy it over. So you achieve the same result by using multiple ifs, which is in this case 1, 2, 3 and 4 if formulas. Instead of that, we can use just one IFS and give the condition, which is simpler to read and execute. I hope that this tutorial was of use to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, ciao.